How to log into Costco ESS employee login. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a step-by-step method on how you can easily log into your Costco ESS employee account. First thing you do is open up your web browser and simply search for Costco ESS employee, and you'll get to the Costco.com website to go to the employees login website. So the first thing you can see is tap on the current employee login right here, and it will take you directly to the login portal. Here, you're just going to have to provide your username, your Costco account or LAN ID, or you could just use your email address. So once you enter your ID or email address, you can just go ahead and enter your password, and you can just tap on sign in. If all of your details are correct, you should be able to sign in without any problem. But if you're having any trouble, you can just tap on this trouble signing in option, and you can easily reset your password from here. Tap on reset password, enter your username, tap on reset password. They'll send you a code, verification code on your email address. Just enter that code and then you should be able to reset your password. That's basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.